Bad news, I am not Iron Man, but the good news, I just figured out how to use ChatGPT to help me make better 3D prints, and I want to show you how. I bought a replacement emblem for my car, but it's not OEM and it just doesn't look as good, so I don't want to use it. But I also don't want to waste it, so my plan is to build a 3D printed stand for this so I can display it in my office. Now, truthfully, I'm not someone who wants to spend too much time measuring every last detail and trying to figure out exactly the right dimensions. So what I did was I used a piece of paper and a ruler, took some photos like these, fed it right into ChatGPT. For my prompt, I simply said, I want to create a 3D print for this emblem. ChatGPT ran with this. It gave me schematics, gave me all these different ideas, but I'm a visual person. So I just said, great, give me 4 options and then the actual 3D print file, the STL. It came back with some really beautiful renderings. This looks so good. Personally, I like option 1 best. It definitely fits the vibe I was going for. I told it, let's go with that one. Give me the model. Okay, this is where things got interesting. It turns out that AI is great at a lot of things. Maybe creating 3D models isn't one of those things yet, or at least the way I'm doing it. I'm not sure. That said, I turned to one of my favorite programs, Fusion from Autodesk, in order to build the actual model itself. I used ChatGPT's rendering, that option 1, as my base, and essentially try to recreate it in Fusion. Once the rendering was pretty much ready to go, I was able to send it to Cura. Cura is a software program that lets you take 3D files and create files that a 3D printer can read by slicing them and making sure they're 3D printer ready. I just loaded it onto my 3D printer. I'm excited to see how this comes out. But again, I think I'm doing something wrong here. This has to be easier. So if you know a trick, if you know a good prompt, if you know an MCP, something I'm overlooking, let me know in the comments below. I want to figure this out and do it well. And follow along. I'll post part 2 soon. Let's see if this comes out even half as well as I think it will. I'm excited.